And so as we let those words of the Tao Te Ching channeled through the Beatles, let those words percolate deep within us, we take this time to be quiet, to be still. Give ourselves the gift of stillness. We're so busy. We have so many things to do. It's wonderful to simply do nothing. So relax in your seats right now. Let your body just feel comfortable, feet on the ground. Relaxed, deep breaths. Open and receptive to what is. Tao says, without opening your door, you can open your heart to the world. Without looking out your window, you can see the essence of the Tao, the truth. And we see correspondences there with Jesus' advice to go into your inner chamber and close the door, commune with spirit, with presence. We have everything we need within us right now. The very presence and power, beauty and possibility of spirit is here. Relax into that. It's deep and it's still. And in unity, we often call it the silence. And it's available to us today. As we go into that space, we can feel it around us as well. Feel that gathered, beautiful stillness filling this sanctuary. Where does it come from? It comes from us. It's deep within us, within everyone gathered together here with us. And it fills the universe. That beautiful, quiet stillness, that inspiration of the presence of God within us. The Tao continues, the Master arrives without leaving, sees the light without looking, achieves without doing a thing. There is no gap anymore between who I think I am and who I really am. There is only the one. Spirit expresses effortlessly through me right now. And as the words move into silence, so do we. We spend a minute or so now simply communing with the truth of our being restored and revitalized, filled with the possibilities of endless good. We claim that now in the silence, in the silence. Dear indwelling presence of love, thank you. Thank you for expressing as me this day. Thank you for the possibilities that you bring into my life. I am renewed, revitalized, ready to open my eyes, return to this space, to this brand new day. And so it is. Amen.